So it's simple for these devils to kill people for this reason. When 6 on the triple ran the temple, this was serpent. They made a couple for the sample of experiment table. Medicine is not a vaccine, it's a metric cable that is able to disable your body till it's unstable. Medicine is not a vaccine, it's a metric cable that is able to disable your body till it's unstable. Medicine, when I say to medicine, the outcome is medicine, then how come? To me it seems in between these springs and heroin lies a line that's very thin that seems to block your kundalini. Blue sky disguise these skies while your scars describe the big prize for those who try to decide which race dies now. Meta they organize. New World authorized, pandemics they authorize, that's why the caskets authorize. About 8 media lies to minimize survival of those who are victimized. On Sampuka, when I look in your eyes, cause your body chakras dies and your senses are minimized. They make disease and remedies that they know we can't afford. Same O's who be killing the people of God. So I don't need no medication. I heal all my scars through meditation.
Yeah.